Welcome to @FishAkeem_reacts Vlogmas episodes.
Hi guys, what is up to y'all? Welcome and welcome back. If you guys are watching this video in the Christmas era, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to you all. And if you guys are watching after, it doesn't matter, Happy New Year to you all. So on this reaction, we're gonna react to 4 Non-Blondes What's Up official music video. So I think I've heard someone sung the cover, but I haven't heard the original. So I want to check out the original to see if the cover can come close, even though nothing can beat the original because it's the first thing that ever done. So without further ado guys, oh yes, and I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So guys, without further ado, forward. Let's go guys.
25 years and my life is still trying to get up that great big hill of...
Holy crap. Holy crap. Whoa. 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 Beautiful. Just the voice is so beautiful. Whoa. This is amazing, guys.
of home for a destination. I realized quickly when I knew I should that the world was made up of this brotherhood of man.
Guys, like, oh, whoa. I always see that good music do existed, but these music are like 10, 15, 20, 40 years old, right? Music like that always seems to hit differently when they are in that age, right? And this song was done 12 years ago, right? That is 2011. And I've heard this song so many times. And just by listening to it now, it is so different. Whoa. Whoa.
Or whatever that means. Into a place of times when I'm lying in bed just to get it all out what's in my head. And I am feeling a little peculiar.
Whoa, guys. Ain't no way this is literally a song. She's killing it, guys. Beautiful, just an amazing voice right now. Whoa, this is so touching.
Into I wake in the morning and I step outside and I take a deep breath and I get real high and I scream from the top of my lungs, what's going on?
Damn, bro. Come to think of it, right? You have someone who you really love and you know that person really hurts you a lot, and you know you just step aside and you just ask, hey, what the hell is really going on? I really want to know, because you're trying your very best, you love that person, and that person is not giving you the same energy that you should get. Say, hey, what's going on, bro? Hey, beautiful, amazing.
And I say, I said, hey, what's going on?
Hey guys, I'm sorry, but I have to make these songs because this music is beautiful. Whoa, beautiful song. I mean, like, this is a very relatable song, I could say. When you look at it deeply and you have been through that situation before, you can say, hey, this is a beautiful song. Guys, and the instrumental is great. Great body of work, great music, great tune. It is just so perfectly fit with the entire sound or entire voices combining together to make that music more realistically real. Whoa, this is beautiful. I gotta say, I should have done a reaction to the original before, but nothing beats the right time. So I'm really happy that I came by to check out this music because this music is really needed. Like it absolutely do.
And I try. Oh my God, do I try?
Damn, bro. Damn. Oh my god, her voice is very awesome. It's the first time I'm hearing a voice like that, to be honest. And it's so beautiful to take in. That little cuteness of her voice is quite a captivating voice. You can't just sit and you can't just not feel it. Is I don't know what to say. Like I'm speechless when it comes down to this voice. Like, guys, this is a hard nut to crack right here. I can't process it, right? A very beautiful voice. A honorable voice.
I try all the time
Wow.
in this institution,
Oh.
and I pray.
Hey.
Oh my God, do I pray?
Wow.
I pray every single day
Wow.
for revolution into a place.
Hey. Beautiful, amazing. Like, girl, you are doing it. You're doing your thing. You're doing your thing. What stupendous woman she is right now. Four non blondes. Exquisite song. I'm so amused right now with your energy. The vibe is right, the timing is right. It is just quite a remarkable thing to sit and listen to this beautiful body of work. Great people with great songs always seems to have a longevity in the music industry. Trust me, this song will never fade.
Times when I'm lying in bed just to get it all out. What's in my head, and I am feeling a little peculiar. Into a wake in the morning, and I step outside, and I take a deep breath, and I get real high, and I scream from the top of my lungs, what's going on? And I say, hey, yeah, yeah, hey, yeah. I said, hey.
Hey, what's going on? Hey, beautiful, just whoa. I gotta say, I thank God for all these songs, these beautiful songs, because there's no way life can be nice without these songs. Trust me. Trust me, guys. Trust me. It's a beautiful song.
What's going on? And I said, hey, yeah, yeah, yeah. I said, hey, what's going on?
Guys, if you guys do have any more suggestions that I should check out this, the None for Blondes, I would be so happy to check them out. So happy.
I said, hey, yeah, yeah, I said, hey, what's going on?
Guys, and you know why this song is so beautiful? No expletives, no nudity, no curse words, Nothing. The song is just so clean and beautiful. Wow. Even down to the toddler can listen to this song. Right? It is so beautiful. Well properly written. That's it, girl. You sing on. Yeah. Wow.
25 years and my life is still trying to get up that quick big hill.
I gotta say, great songs always have a longevity to it. 12 years, 1.6 billion views. There's so much people can vibe to this song. There's so much people feeling this song. So it has to be a massive hit.
Of hope for a destination.
Beautiful. Amazing. Amazing. Thank you so much for this lovely song, girl. Keep on doing your thing and you will be a great person in this music industry. So guys, thank you so much for watching. What are your thoughts on this? If you guys do like my reaction, don't forget to leave a like on the video. Smash that subscribe button to become a member of the Jamaican Reactor. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. I'm out.